I'm Phil, and welcome to my Typedream playlist. Every so often, software gets me really excited, and I give it its own playlist. A no-code website builder, but one that actually works. Many companies have made that claim, but Typedream, it's so simple to use, and you can be up and running making an amazing website in minutes. This tutorial will make it even faster. Just simple, short little videos to get you started and through the basics. And let's have a quick jump in and let's have a look at the site that is a work in progress that I am building with Typedream. And I know it's cheesy, but I don't care. And the amazing thing is, I have got to this point where I'm already happy to show you where I'm at with my website. And it's not far from being ready to be launched in less than, I kid you not, 10 minutes. I've used no-code website builders before, and it's taken me half a day to suss out just what all the buttons do. But it is so easy to change text, to move pictures, to add new pages. It's simple to do, but these videos are going to help you speed up the process even more. So do subscribe to my channel, do subscribe to this playlist, and let's all make some websites with Typedream.